welcome to Today Matter, where we call I, the Red. This is the only bus we get 4 steering and 4 drivers. My name is Elenu, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now we decide here to tutori your body every now and then, only on Saturday for start time, channel 195, on top of Wazobia TV. I am heartbroken. My belly is burning me. But before I talk, I'll make a first introduce my fellow drivers for inside this bus. First, seated close to me as Ibo man talk now MC Shoggy. How you day? That's all. That's all. And also seated closely to him as Ibo man go sit talk now Lucky Child, aka I just married.
Every day, aka I just married now.
Your married never tell her.
Oh, now what? So you honestly spoken now, so in talk I will take her like that.
And last but not the least. Nah, I don't try to call on this name. He's supposed to be lover boy, but they break your heart. The 5-star comedy general, MC Sharaka.
Yeah, so that's the way they cut onions. We know. Why? We don't wait.
You know, I think call you Sharaka.
We dey wait.
Change your name.
I want to put my proverb.
Land. Okay, person they cut onions.
Oh, no, man, leave the onions.
No.
I go another one.
I mean, talk the audience. So
no. In fact, because today is Valentine Day, no proverb today.
Okay.
No proverb today.
Why I be just say Belé the Pepe before? Because they go postpone the election. You know, say today supposed to be election day before.
Yes,
they can't go postpone them. Now, I dey very angry because all my guys there, we like say they don't dey happy. See, nothing they happen today. Now they don't break their heart. Guess now don't they jolly. See all their wish when they go now don't work.
You know say one of my guys don't already planted that Valentine Day. As he say, once Valentine Day reach like this, they go carry a girlfriend. Say they go where they vote. They go stand there. Once the vote finish, he give her flower. Say love don't end. But as election no come today, I wonder what the girl go don't chop for his neck.
Seriously, that's all my guy call me the lament. Say, look, you no imagine waiting my babe come me they tell me. As waiting he call you tell you. He says get happy they call me. John, how far, John, you don't hear. Yeah, waiting. Oh boy, they don't postpone the date of election. They don't postpone now. The guy can say, you can't take consign me. You not remember? February 14. Valentine go be that now.
You know say now quarter just happen every day.
I tell you, the guy home for like
you know the way it happened for my area. One guy during the week, the guy just verse. Wake up when they won't pursue the girl. I wake up. Early morning, I just wake up. Honey, what is the time? It's 6:30. Say, is it PM or AM? What's wrong with you? Tell me. And the girl
Not because of
not
time. And I know very well, say today like this, 6 morning, you get many phone when they switch off. And all those guys, they don't go fast food now. They go it's not connected. Go with George. This number I called yesterday night.
That was you.
And they are telling me
we be network. Now Valentine night, more than us they do ourselves. No, be say we go begin see children now. Because children when they get Valentine now don't they plenty. We get one Valentine for this office. I know say that Valentine now your parents they meet. Make we stop all these children, Valentine children. Oh, we get born children like Easter, Christmas, New Year.
They like that.
Because of the love we have for our country, the way we tell to celebrate our own Valentine this night, is to sing the national anthem, and our national anthem in a foreign way. We can follow us. Take attention!
Yeah. Our national anthem is taken from the book of Beyonce, chapter
1 verse 1. It's Beyonce 1, me 1.
I was so excited to see such a beautiful country. I want to do something special, okay? But you guys have to help me. I'm a little nervous. So, if you promise to sing along, I want to give y'all a little gift, okay? So rise, oh come patriot, Nigeria, call obey, to serve our fatherland with love
The pledge.
Make it there.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest.
I don't
To serve Nigeria is not
Still
by
by
force.
force. Still by force.
No be smarting. Beyonce dey see national anthem.
Oh boy, my brother.
Goose people dey owe me.
My brother. See, if you dey house now, before we close this show, we go play this national anthem again. If you are your babe day, this is the best gift wey you fit give her because I never ever believe say Nigeria national anthem this sweet like this.
I tell you.
Don't just hold your babe. If you want end the show, we could have to do away from right to left.
But Eleno, if to say now so when our president maybe when he won't give us what do they call him? When he won't talk nationally now.
Okay, president speech.
Maybe this kind one fine girl, go maybe a motola or somebody, you come on, go sing. People, everybody go on say, oh boy, our country don't they sweet. You can't see people they say, oh boy, this is our country, they take good shape.
If you are judging by the shape of who is singing the national anthem, Nigeria is going to take a good shape.
Beyonce, thank you. Don't say Beyonce, now you so girl, you know.
Lucky.
Beyonce.
Okay.
Beyonce. She proved us well.
But
God bless you,
thank
sister.
you, Beyonce, for that very sweet
Okay,
national
nephew,
anthem.
Boko,
That international, that not be national anthem. That not international anthem. Where you give us, God will bless you so much and so much.
God will bless you.
But you don't say Nigeria. Not everybody is singing national anthem.
At all.
I told you.
Do you remember our former national anthem?
Me. If I remember my dad.
Oh God of creation,
Bang.
right and noble
Bang, bang.
See the video of this one where no sabi sing national anthem.
Nigeria's color base to serve father's love, to son's went up there. College, I wonder why you don't whenever we in there. To serve without a match, and labor is freedom, without unity. Are you benefiting?
Arise, O call Patriotic.
And arrest so called our property.
Nigeria follow me.
Àwọn ayé wọn kọlu òbí.
Our father's land.
Ó sáfà bàbá rẹ̀ lóhùn.
With love and strength and faith.
Wọ́n ní ó lọ́ fún fèètì kan.
Above our heroes' path
Wọ́n ní ó ra bọ́ọ̀ fáwọn ọ̀rọ̀.
shall never be in vain.
Ṣé never ó bí àwọn níbẹ̀?
So shall we right and might.
Wọ́n ní ìfọ́tí ó sá àìsàn.
One nation, body, freedom,
Mo wú òbẹ́sà fẹ́ ṣe freedom.
peace and unity.
Wọ́n ní please mo fẹ́ urinate.
Even the best when they sing the national anthem for English, when the begin they interpret for Yoruba. Even the best is them growing with this speaker. You hear what this state arise to compassion.
But seriously, from the look of everything, we Nigerians, we for the sing our national anthem with our own language.
No. Let me say this country go scatter.
Never
They be like that way God scatter people when they don't understand themselves. I bet me no.
I still want to recover from what that pikin do so.
Hello, be first freedom. That I to tell you say even as you don't hear the national anthem for Beyonce mouth, who don't this say Nigeria don't sweet. They can't remember say we see them in the country. Nothing they happen. Sister we gallant. Nothing they happen. Not shaking. Gallant.
Our Valentine special for all of us now they wash us abeg.
Yes, so this is our own Valentine special too. Now like this we want to do our own. Now guys, come on here now. We go one place, go sit down till 1 a.m. We Valentine don't pass. Don't forget, say if you want to send your matter, come the way more we talk and the way we go take tori for body. You see them for TV, you read them for paper. You like more talk and make it switch you for body. Send and call give us for our email where be red@wazobia.tv. And we don't there for Twitter too. If you don't get money to follow us for bus or to follow us with Okada, you can track with us. No problem. Just follow us at DEY RED at EYE red red. DEY RED. Our day na DEY. DEY RED. Ojú ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Ojú ẹ̀jẹ̀.
It's ready.
National anthem. We are going for a break. If you touch it, Obi fẹ́ ṣe freedom.
Obey.